Do you know that what you eat can directly influence how long you live? Let's explore the ultimate foods for a long and healthy life. 1. Leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, kale, spinach. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to fight off aging. Studies show that diets high in leafy greens can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Berries and antioxidant rich fruits. Berries, like blueberries and strawberries, are filled with antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. These superfoods also reduce inflammation, which is a major factor in aging. 3. Nuts and seeds for healthy fats. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids and other heart-healthy fats. They lower cholesterol, improve heart health, and support brain function. 4. Green tea and herbal teas. Rich in catechins and antioxidants, green tea supports heart health and weight management, and it's even linked to reduced cancer risk. Herbal teas, like turmeric and ginger, add anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. 5. Lean proteins and whole grains. Choose lean protein sources like fish, beans, and lentils for muscle health, and whole grains like oats and quinoa for a fiber-rich diet that helps control blood sugar and aids digestion. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more wellness tips with powerful natural remedies.